Ahoy there! So today I thought maybe it would be fun to try and get out some little boats and take them for a little spin on the water. And when I say little boats, they're very little. But these are no ordinary boats because they are powered purely by steam. So let's get them out and try and have a look. But first, we need to prepare our reservoir. Filled the reservoir, we can now start to fuel our boats. Now these boats run on wax, so we need to make some little wax fuel pellets. So we have our wax pellets and we have our wick. So here we have our boat. And it's now time to place this into the engine bay. Please be ready. We now need to heat up the water and generate some steam. It's almost coming to life. Oh, hang on. Her sister ship is starting up. There we go. Into second gear. I think we're into third. I've turbocharged boat number 1. Well, I don't know, do boats have turbochargers? Maybe. Wow! That is a lot of smoke. Well, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video of watching some little boats go around. But thanks for watching, and see you next time, and goodbye.